In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your ElevenLabs password. If you've forgotten your current password or simply want to update it for added security, this guide will walk you through the process. You can complete this in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Just make sure you're connected to the internet. Once your browser is open, navigate to the ElevenLabs sign-in page. If you're already familiar with this step, great. But if not, you can usually find it by typing ElevenLabs login into your search engine. Now, when you arrive at the sign-in page, you're going to want to look for the link that says "Forgot your password." This is typically located below the password entry field. Clicking there is essential, because it initiates the process of securing a new password and directs you to the right steps. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. It's crucial to use the correct email because an email with further instructions will be sent to this address. If you're uncertain which email you originally used, take a moment to verify your records to avoid any confusion. Once you're sure, go ahead and enter your email address, then hit the Continue button. After completing this step, be sure to check your email inbox. Within a few minutes, you should receive an email from ElevenLabs. Keep an eye on your spam or junk folder, just in case it ends up there. This email will contain a link and detailed instructions for resetting your password. Follow these prompts carefully. Typically, you'll be directed to a secure page where you can input your new password. Make sure your new password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and symbols, and that it's something you'll remember or store it safely in a password manager. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your ElevenLabs password. From here, you can return to the ElevenLabs sign-in page, use your newly updated password, and log into your account with your enhanced security in place. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel more confident managing your ElevenLabs account. If you have more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore other resources or reach out for support. Enjoy the added peace of mind that comes with a more secure account, and stay tuned for more guides like this one.